Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to flip a picture on Pixel phone. Let's have a look. First, open the Photos app on your Pixel phone. Choose a picture you want to flip. Tap Edit button from bottom menu. Then choose Crop. Tap Flip button and tap Save Copy. That's it. These are the steps to flip a picture on Google Pixel. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.